number one. We're going to let those sit back lift on the edge of the bank. Lead Mike Pollard. That is good.
Well, they have other.
I hate all of these people. Fucking kill me.
Things like to put the syrup on.
I'm sorry, unalive me. Sorry, that's the YouTube friendly
Blueberry, all that stuff.
Yeah.
Wait, blueberry syrup is maple syrup now, dog?
You can flavor anything. Are you guys still arguing about fucking syrup?
Yes.
How long has this been happening?
You guys want some pork chops?
You drag them in, dude. You can't just do that. You can't give them the Kool-Aid and expect them to be fine afterwards.
Yeah, so they don't wake up.
Yeah.
Is the syrup from Canada? Because if it's not from Canada, it's not real syrup.
Listen to that.
State law.
First of all, syrup. Let's have a real argument.
Syrup.
Is it syrup or
It's
syrup?
syrup.
It's
Well,
syrup.
we're not doing that.
Dave said there's more layers to this.
Josh Ferrett's in the lead. There's Josh has been making it into outer zone number 1, swinging across the middle of the track there, making it into outer zone number 2. As you see the back of the cars pick up on the bank there. Swinging it out, get out. One off of Derek Madison on the inside.
836 uses smoke screen.
He's dipping everywhere.
Oh, Derek.
All right, on the first half of that battle, Josh Phillips giving all the room to Derek, but Derek taking a mid-line through the track.
I got one.
Two
More wheels.
Listen, all I'm saying is I think that maple syrup is thick enough that you could probably use it as engine oil.
It probably wouldn't last very long.
It's thick, but it's not going to be very, it's not going to have the lubrication properties.
Why do you have to say it like that?
Lubrication properties.
Wind didn't come.
That was your
Oh, because my valve covers don't leak, so I don't have to worry
Here we
about
go,
it.
Derek wins, Josh goes chase. Able to close the gap there in outer zone number 1, swinging a little bit deep in, rotates in the chase position.
He's like, yo, we need to turn this shit up.
So did we ever find the viscosity of the Fruity Pebbles syrup?
It's just corn syrup, so,
But like, there's a lot of other shit in it. So
Is table syrup just corn syrup? Is that what you said? Is that what we came to the conclusion of?
does corn syrup taste good?
I'm just asking, right? I'm just looking for clarification.
showed you.
You said table
Regular
syrup.
syrup.
Okay, and it's corn syrup, right?
It's made with corn syrup, yes.
But it's not just regular
It's
syrup.
not just straight corn syrup now.
No, just the word syrup. Stop using all these other
Yeah,
words.
okay, well,
It's like back, it reminds me of in the 90s
Can we get a wiki on this? No, can we get a wiki though?
And that
I don't want to know like
Jared
the words. You know what I
Madison
mean?
advancing on into the final four.
Which is also table syrup. Made with.
You just put pancake syrup on anything, huh? What else do you put syrup on?
What are you talking about? At this point, you've lost.
No.
There, you tried to say there's no difference in maple syrup and regular syrup.
That's just a flavor.
And there is. It is not a flavor.
Maple ain't a fucking flavor? What the fuck? You ever had a Pop-Tart that was maple and brown sugar?
What's
Okay.
flavor of water?
It's brown sugar cinnamon.
Oh, you find it.
Sorry. Every morning.
Okay, what about the oatmeal that's maple and brown sugar?
There we go. Thank you.
I'm out here.
I didn't say that there's no such thing as a maple flavor, but
You did.
look-
A second ago, you
no,
did.
that's not a flavor. That's the ingredient.
All of this is
never
going
heard
on the
of
No,
natural
YouTube.
you just said
flavoring?
there was no maple
All of it.
flavor.
Flavor?
Oh, I know. You just stuttered for 3 minutes earlier.
Now it's a Facebook argument.
I love that.
Let's take a poll.
Drop the
Yes, there's maple flavored syrup, but that's not maple syrup.
So what makes it
What do
maple?
you, yeah, what,
It's nothing. It's maple flavor.
why do they call it maple flavor?
Because they put maple flavor in it.
What is
It's still
maple
made of
flavor?
corn syrup. All right.
What do you think maple flavor is made of? Derivatives, maybe?
The Mexicans.
Like, I don't know where you're trying to go.
Flavored syrup
Yeah.
would be sweeter than maple syrup
probably put more sugar.
because of the corn syrup in it. Because that's just straight sugar.
Corn syrup. It's not maple syrup. It's maple
Wait,
flavor.
they gotta make it maple. They can't just put
So-
corn syrup and suddenly it's maple. They gotta do something to change the flavor to make the corn taste like fucking maple.
Yeah, they put maple flavoring in it.
What's,
What
which
is
is,
maple
what's maple taste
flavoring?
like?
What's blueberry flavoring?
Blueberries,
All right,
flavor.
here we go. 4 minutes in the lead. Donnie
Artificial
going to
blueberry
give
flavor.
chase.
What is that?
I don't know. I'm not talking about blueberries. You are.
Artificial strawberry flavoring is beaver ass, so let's talk about that.
Here we go, trail this year. It's on. It swings all the way over there into the first outer zone. Donnie still trying to maintain proximity as they go into outer zone number 2.
You told me. You just showed me this.
No, you were saying there's maple ingredient.
I don't know. So why is it called maple then?
It's got artificial flavor.
What is the artificial flavor? And it would be the question.
Tree sap?
Tree sap. They're fucking tree barking that shit.
These.
They grind up the fucking tree bark for you. They fucking grind up the leaves. Those big old Canadian flag leaves.
They grind up the flags.
They grind up the leaves. They put it in the corn.
Just gonna title this video "The Great Maple Debate."
I hate it here. Fucking Midwest. I'm done.
I haven't thought about being cold for a while.
You want some?
Dude, I'll take another. Those are fire.
They smell
These are
delicious.
fire pork chops.
I
Why don't you eat one,
appreciate
pussy?
it. So I just ate like 4 burgers.
Yeah, why don't you put my meat in your mouth?
Damn, that season's good.
That's really good.
What does it taste like?
You've had it before.
Have you ever eaten fire before? Because this is fire.
I can't say that.
Donnie in the lead. Troy's going to see what he can do behind him. Troy catching up there in outer zone number 2 as they bring past in the foot in the run and towards outer zone number 3. Second half of the Troy mid-track on the track there. Not close reaching that outer zone. That's the touch and go. Both drivers unable to reach out there and touch that as well.
I got a website for that.
I'm just saying you
All
could.
right, they're off. Mike Miller in the lead there. Advancing his